Wait a moment.
Okay.
Here you are.
Thanks a lot. Thanks you, Tim.
You need to take this one 3 times a day, 1 hour before meal.
Okay, how about the C, please?
These are antibiotics. You need to take them 3 times a day after meal. You have to finish them all.
Okay.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, thanks.
You're welcome.